Sifan Hassan and Letsile Tebogo.
When most people say that they've doubled their Olympic medal count, that usually means they're going from 1 to 2. 6 is absurd. We've talked about it, but what a year, Athlete of the Year. How does it feel?
First of all, I would really thank to the jury, thank you to the fans, everybody who voted. I never thought I'm going to win this one because it was like this year crazy. It's not only me, all the athletes are amazing. And that's why I didn't thought I'm going to win, you know. And it's really grateful. I'm really grateful. It's like crazy years, and especially Paris Marathon and the finish line, the way you ask it. It's just incredible years. I'm so grateful for everything. And what can I say more?
Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen.